Selling your iPhone. Let's make absolutely sure your personal data goes with you, not with the new owner. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. It's the icon that looks like gears. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. This is where you'll find most of your iPhone's core settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the General menu. You'll see the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. This is the gateway to wiping your device clean. Your next step is to tap on Erase all content and settings. This is the action that will restore your iPhone to its factory default state. You'll see a warning screen explaining what will be removed. This includes all your apps, data, photos, and settings. If you've backed up your iPhone, this is your last chance to find that backup. If needed, tap Continue. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. This is a crucial security step to authorize the reset. You'll likely be asked to enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and remove your device from your Apple ID account. This deactivates features like Find My iPhone, making it ready for its new owner. Your iPhone will now begin the erasing process. This can take a few minutes. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar as it works. Once complete, your iPhone will restart and display the hello screen, just as if it were brand new out of the box, ensuring your privacy and a smooth sale.